Hi. Now, today we will discuss the first sum of the exercise 3.1. So here it is. Aftab tells his daughter 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. So we are just assuming that x be the present age of Aftab and y be the present age of his daughter. So 7 years ago, Aftab was x minus 7 was 7 times as old as you were then, that is his daughter, that is y minus 7. So by simplifying we are getting x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. This is the equation number 1. Now in the next case, from 3 years now I shall be, that is Aftab will be 3 years now, that is x plus 3 will be 3 times as old as his daughter, that is y plus 3. So again by simplifying we will get x minus 3y equal to 9 minus 3, that is 6. So this is my equation number 2. Okay. So these two equations are the representation of this situation algebraically. Now we will solve these equations by graphically. Here my graph is. Now we will first write the first equation, that is x minus 7y equal to minus 42. So for that we can write this x equal to 7y minus 42, and now we will first make a table, that is xy. So for the first we will choose the value of x is 0, then y will be 6. Next we will choose the value of x as 7, then y will be also 7, and next we are choosing the value of y is 5, that is then x will be minus 7. Now we will plot the points, that is first point is 0 comma 6. So here now first point is 0 comma 6, that is x is 0 and y is 6, that is this point. Now next point is 7 comma 7, that is here x is 7 and y is also 7, right? So this is my next point, and another one is minus 7 and y is 5, so that is this point. So we will just join these lines, that is like this. You will do this by using scale. Okay. Okay, leave it. You join these points by using scale. Okay, now my next equation is x minus 3y equal to 6. So for that x will be 6 plus 3y, and here the table again is x, y. If we put the value of y 0, x will be 6, and if we put the value of x is 0, y will be minus 2, and if we put the value of y is minus 1, x will be 3. So now again we will plot the points. So x is 0, 6 comma 0, that is x is 6, this point. Next 0 and y is minus 2, that is this point, and next is 3 and minus 1, that is this point. So now again we will join these lines. We will join these using the straight lines. Okay. So this is the graphical representation of the situation. I hope there is no doubt. So thank you and stay tuned for the next one.